This is an introductory video for Phi Theta Kappa's Chi Upsilon chapter at MCC. Phi Theta Kappa is a large organization with a rich history. If you put it on your resume, it will be recognized. There are many thousands of members worldwide. Phi Theta Kappa is not a beer-drinking, party-centered organization, although we do have fellowship events. It's good to remember that many Greek organizations are not purely social and do have instead their focus on a certain subject or on service, like Phi Theta Kappa. If you are qualified, you will receive an invitation letter. Even if you don't receive that letter, however, everyone is encouraged to participate in Phi Theta Kappa. Membership benefits include scholarships, designation on your degree and at graduation. There's a certificate and a gold pin that's appropriate for wearing for the rest of your career to any formal event. And probably most importantly, resume enhancement. Items that you can mention on your resume, projects and experiences that you had in Phi Theta Kappa, including some members-only trainings, which are available from the website. All of these look very good on any application for example, transfer or a job application or a scholarship application. Those who become more active in the chapter receive additional benefits of additional experiences that they can write about in those transfer and job applications. Also, we can write more detailed letters of recommendation for our active members because we know them. Our most active members are our officers. They receive a very high level of professional and leadership development, including travel to conferences and awards nominations, and they have access on our campus to our office, which we call the Nerd Cave. We have quite a lot of officer positions, and often, even in the middle of the year, there's a position open after someone has graduated early. So if you're interested in that level of involvement, please let us know. Those who maintain membership in good standing, meaning maintain a cumulative GPA of 3.5 until graduation, are recognized at graduation, and that membership in good standing is required for most of the scholarships. We do quite a lot of different activities, including some fellowship activities, social for fun events, service such as Adopt a Highway. We have a book drive, and we do food drives. Those sorts of activities are happening multiple times throughout the semester and vary depending on the interests of the students currently involved. The Honors in Action project runs all year, involves a specific topic which is developed by the international organization, which we then discuss, research, and develop an action project. There is an awards process for that Honors in Action project. The college project is similar, but focuses on a project around the college that helps the college meet its mission, and it involves collaboration with the college administration. You can read our recent applications for awards regarding the Honors in Action and the college project on our Canvas site. Our chapter is well recognized, winning in the last recent years several international level and Illinois level awards. And the chapter has been, for 40 years, a 5-star chapter, which is the highest level of achievement in Phi Theta Kappa. One last thing to be aware of is that members who join full membership can come to induction. That is a ceremony celebrating membership. It is not required, nothing embarrassing happens, and it's totally appropriate for guests like parents and grandparents. Again, if you join, you'll receive more information about how to take part in induction. Thank you for your interest, and please let us know if you have any questions.